Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Limeroad Beauty. I'm Tejaswini and today I'm going to help you ace your wedding glam. I know there are lots and lots of wedding functions that are coming up and you need to attend them. I know it isn't always easy to book a makeup artist or go to the salon. So if you're a DIY girl and if you like taking matters into your own hands, I'm sure you're going to love this video. So stay tuned. So I hope that today's video will sort you out for at least one of the functions that you have to attend this wedding season. But don't worry, this is not the end. I will keep coming back with more interesting and glamorous looks for all the other functions that you might have to attend. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, show us some love and don't forget to share it with your friends. Stay happy, stay glamorous.